Ranking higher on Google in 2024 will require a mix of optimizing for traditional SEO, best practices and adapting to new trends in search engine technology, such as AI-driven updates and changing user behaviors. Here are key strategies to help you rank higher on Google. 1. Focus on user experience, UX, and core web vitals. Google continues to emphasize user experience in its rankings. Core web vitals ensure your website performs well on metrics like loading speed, largest contentful paint, LCP, interactivity, first input delay, FID, and visual stability, cumulative layout shift, CLS. Mobile optimization. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. Your site must be responsive and load quickly on mobile devices. Page experience signals, secure websites, HTTPS, non-intrusive pop-ups, and intuitive site navigation improve user engagement and rankings. 2. Create high-quality, in-depth content. Topical Authority. Google's algorithms prioritize authoritative content that covers topics comprehensively. Develop long-form, high-quality content that addresses user intent. People-first content. Avoid keyword stuffing and focus on creating helpful, engaging content that genuinely satisfies user needs, in line with Google's helpful content update. Use EEAT. Emphasize experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. This is crucial for ranking in YMYL, your money, your life, niches like finance, health, or legal topics. Multimedia content. Incorporate videos, infographics, and images to engage users and cater to different content formats. 3. Leverage AI and SEO automation. AI-generated summaries. Google's latest updates, such as Search Generative Experience, SGE, focus on delivering concise, AI-generated answers. Structuring content for featured snippets and answering common questions increases the chances of your content being used in these summaries. AI tools for SEO. Use AI-based tools to optimize on-page elements, analyze user behavior, and predict trending topics. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Surfer SEO can help streamline content creation and optimization. 4. Optimize for voice search and conversational queries. With the increasing use of smart devices and voice assistants, it's essential to optimize for voice search. Natural language queries. Focus on conversational keywords and longer, question-based queries. Local SEO for voice search. Many voice searches are local in nature. Ensure your Google My Business listing is updated, and optimize for Near Me searches. 5. Prioritize visual search and image SEO. Google Lens and visual search are gaining momentum. Optimize images, use descriptive file names, alt text, and captions. Ensure images are compressed without losing quality to maintain fast page load times. Structured data for images. Implement schema markup to help Google understand your images better. 6. Focus on search intent. Match user intent. Understand what users are looking for at different stages of the buying journey. Create content that aligns with informational, navigational, and transactional queries. SERP feature optimization. Aim to appear in featured snippets, local packs, image packs, and knowledge graphs. 7. Utilize structured data and schema markup. Rich snippets. Implement schema markup for articles, FAQs, reviews, products, and events to help Google display rich snippets in search results. Entity-based SEO. Google's algorithms are increasingly based on understanding entities, people, places, things, and their relationships. Structured data helps Google connect these dots. 8. Strengthen local SEO. Google Business Profile. Keep your listing accurate and updated with business hours, services, and locations. Local citations. Build citations in local directories, and ensure NAP, name, address, phone, consistency across platforms. Positive reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews and respond to them promptly. 9. Backlinks and authority building. High-quality backlinks. Earning backlinks from reputable, relevant websites remains one of the most important ranking factors. Guest blogging and partnerships. Contribute guest posts to authoritative sites, partner with industry influencers, and participate in relevant forums or communities. 10. Optimize for zero-click searches. More searches are being answered directly on the SERP through featured snippets, knowledge panels, and other instant answers. Snippet optimization. Target question-based content and format answers concisely, within 40 to 60 words. FAQs. Include frequently asked questions and answer them directly in your content. 11. Build a strong internal linking structure. Internal links. Ensure a strong internal linking structure that connects relevant content. This helps search engines understand your site's hierarchy and boosts page authority. Anchor text optimization. Use descriptive and relevant anchor text for internal links to help Google understand content context. 12. Monitor and adapt to Google updates. Stay current. Regularly monitor algorithm updates, as Google frequently tweaks its algorithms. Tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics can help track your site's performance. Adapt quickly. Analyze how updates affect your site and make necessary adjustments in line with the changes. By combining these strategies, you can improve your website's chances of ranking higher in Google search results in 2024.